Hello fellow magicians. So this is a homemade Svengali Memo pad. It cost me only $1 or $2. I got it from Daiso, a stationery shop nearby. It looked totally ungimmicked. You can't see it because of the print. And I just cut along the lines. If you are looking for something like this, you can't find it anymore, but if you want to find something similar and do this at home, you could type stripe notepad or memo pad, stripe notepad or memo pad in Google, and you can find similar patterns. So all you need is a pair of scissors. Okay, if you like this, check out my other videos.